Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look guys. This is very nude and classy look guys. So guys, this look you can create in your winter party or any occasion guys, because guys I just love this look because this is very nude classy look guys. So guys, this look goes with any outfit and I just love this look guys. So guys, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to my channel guys, it's mean a lot, and please guys press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you get notification guys. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, my handle is this. So guys, let's get started this video. Hey guys, so first for today's makeup look I'm going to start off with this moisturizer. This is the Biotique Whitening and Brightening Moisturizer guys, and it is really good in winter, so I'm going to apply this. So guys, for the primer here I'm using Blue Heaven primer guys. This is the silicone based primer. So guys, I'm going to apply this primer on my pores area. Next guys, for the foundation here I'm using Insight Ultra Thin Foundation guys, and this is in the shade Warm Nude 04. So guys, this is the Insight Ultra Thin Foundation and I'm going to use this foundation. First guys, I'm going to spread this foundation all over my face. And next I'm going to blend using this beauty blender guys. This is also from Inside Eyes, and this is very affordable and very blendable beauty blender guys. So guys, this foundation is very thin and it provides me very sheer coverage. So guys, but guys, it feels like very natural finish. So guys, it is good for daily wear and if you want to apply some makeup on your face. Next guys, for the concealer I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer guys. This is in the shade 20 Sand. So guys, I'm going to apply this concealer as my usual area, like under eye. जस्ट बिकॉज गाइज फाउंडेशन ने मुझे इतनी अच्छी कवरेज प्रोवाइड नहीं की थी, इसलिए मैंने अपने फेस पे थोड़ा एक्सेस में इस कंसीलर को अप्लाई किया है. नेक्स्ट गाइज, आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड दिस कंसीलर सेम यूजिंग दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. Next guys, for setting my base and contour I'm going to use this contour kit guys. This is a Wet n Wild contour palette guys, and this is very beautiful palette guys. So guys, using this palette I'm going to set my all over face, and guys, first of all I'm going to set my under eyes using this banana powder guys, and this banana powder is very fine. So first guys, you have to remove your crease. See guys how instantly it brighten up my under eye. So guys, next using a fluffy brush I'm going to set my all over face. Next guys, using this contour shade I'm going to contour my face, and guys, this is very pigmented also. See. See guys how beautiful shade it is for contouring. And guys, also आपको कंटूर अपने हेयर लाइन में मिक्स करना है सो दैट ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा नेचुरल लगे. अपने कंटूर को एक शार्प लुक प्रोवाइड करने के लिए गाइज मैं यहाँ पर ये बनाना पाउडर को यूज़ करूँगी एंड जस्ट क्लीन माय कंटूर. for filling my eyebrows and for eyes, I'm going to use this kit, guys. This is the Wet n Wild nude baking palette, guys, and this is a beautiful and nude palette, guys. And guys, I'm going to use this palette, guys, and using this color I'm going to fill my eyebrows.
Next, guys, using a spoolie, I'm going to comb this.
So guys, for the eyeshadow I'm going to use this palette, guys. This is the Rose in the Air palette, guys, and guys Wet n Wild की ये palette काफ़ी ज़्यादा pigmented होता है. So for the transition shade I'm going to use this chocolate brown shade, guys,
and I'm going to apply in my crease, and also I'm just focusing on my outer corner, guys.
First, guys, I'm going to deposit this color in my outer corner and then apply in the inner corner. Next, guys, I'm picking a small brush and this black shade, guys. So guys, I'm going to apply this black shade as a liner.
And how beautiful it looks. Next, guys, I'm going to blend this edges.
Using the same color, I'm going to smudge in my lower lash line. Next, guys, I'm going to curl my lashes. And guys, for the mascara, I'm going to use this mascara. This is the Swiss Beauty Lengthening Mascara, guys. See guys, this mascara is so beautiful and so affordable, guys. You have to definitely try this one, guys. I'm not wearing falsies, guys, and it's just like wow. Next, for the blush, guys, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush, guys, and this is very beautiful and winter appropriate blush, guys. So guys, I'm going to apply this blush, guys, because guys, this is very pigmented and beautiful blush, guys, and this is very winter appropriate blush, guys. So I'm going to apply this one.
How beautiful it looks.
Guys, for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Master Chrome highlighter, guys. This is in the shade Molten Gold. So guys, this is a beautiful highlighter, and I'm going to apply this on my highlighting points, guys. See guys, how beautiful it is. So guys, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. See, and lastly guys, I'm going to blend all my product using this beauty blender. And guys, lastly for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Nykaa lipstick, guys. This is in the shade Zen, and I just love this nude color, guys. Guys, lastly for setting my makeup, I'm going to use this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, guys, and this is very beautiful and so refreshing. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel, guys. Take care, guys. Bye bye.